Pipedrive versus Jira Service Management. Two platforms, two totally different missions. But which one really delivers? On the left, Pipedrive, the streamlined sales CRM built for fast-moving teams. And on the right, Jira Service Management, the ITSM powerhouse trusted by collaborative organizations. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. And at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. All right, before we dive in, let's pull up the mind map. Here's what we'll be comparing: price, ease of use, integration and customization, target market and use case, features and reporting, and lastly, user ratings. Each one matters depending on, well, what your actual needs are. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, first up, price. So with Pipedrive, you get affordable monthly plans, and honestly, their pricing is super transparent. No weird fees popping up out of nowhere. The catch: if you've got a huge team, it can get a little pricey in the long run. Now, Jira Service Management. This one's kind of fun. There's a generous free plan, which, hello, who doesn't love free? Big teams can score some discounts too, though I should mention their pricing tiers are a bit all over the place. And if you want the cool advanced features, you're probably buying some add-ons. So in the price department, I gotta say, Jira sneaks ahead, but only if you know exactly what you're signing up for.
Next, let's talk about ease of use. Pipedrive is super intuitive. The sales pipeline view, it's honestly why so many people love it. The interface is simple. Things aren't buried under 15 menus. On the flip side, Jira Service Management, okay, it's highly customizable, and their workflows can be bent in all sorts of ways. But, yeah, that also means a steeper learning curve. If you just want to jump in and get rolling without a bunch of training, Pipedrive's got your back here. Definite winner for usability. Moving on, integration and customization. Pipedrive plays nicely with, lots of sales tools. Plus, it syncs up with Jira, ironically enough, and there's a good batch of CRM extensions. Downside, there aren't tons of automation options. Now, Jira Service Management. This is where it flexes. You get integrations with hundreds, literally, of tools, serious automation, and API access if you want to get nerdy. But, fair warning, the setup is a tad technical. So who's got the edge? For power users and people who want to connect everything, Jira Service Management takes it. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Pipedrive actually started as a side project by a sales manager who got frustrated with clunky tools. And get this, Jira Service Management is now powering more than 75,000 organizations all over the world. How wild is that? Up next, target market and use case. Pipedrive is all about sales-driven small businesses and medium businesses. Deal tracking, sales reporting, boom. That's its sweet spot. But if you need IT service management or bug tracking, not here. Switching gears to Jira Service Management, this is strictly IT teams, service desks, project managers, anyone into incident management or change management. It isn't a CRM at heart, so don't expect that. Both super focused for their audiences. No real winner, honestly. It's genuinely a tie depending on your needs. Let's hit features and reporting. Pipedrive's got you covered with sales analytics, visual pipelines, and honestly, their sales reporting is super easy to pick up. The weak spot? Don't expect much on project management. Enter Jira Service Management. Dashboards galore. To-do lists. Workflow management. That gets deep. Audit trails, reports with all the KPIs, Gantt charts, you name it. Does it get overwhelming for just sales tracking? Yep, but if you live for reporting and fancy charts, Jira Service Management's the clear winner. Last one, user ratings. Pipedrive scores super high with small business users. People rave about how easy it is to get started and just, get selling. It's less suited for massive IT or enterprise setups, but hey, if that's not you, who cares? Now, Jira Service Management, not to be outdone, is a favorite in big orgs and IT service teams. It's a slightly lower score with smaller outfits, though. So, who wins in popularity? Pipedrive, especially if you want something simple and user-friendly. All right, let's map it out. On the radar chart, you can really see Pipedrive nailing ease of use and user ratings, while Jira Service Management crushes it in integration, customization, features and reporting, and price for big teams. Kind of paints the picture that they're for totally different kinds of users. So, bottom line, if you want a sales-focused CRM that just works and gets you up and running fast, Pipedrive is going to feel like home. But if your team's dealing with IT services, tickets, big workflows, and you care about deep reporting, Jira Service Management is the powerhouse. Each is a winner in its own world, honestly. Curious which one's actually best for you? Go check out both demo trials, mess around with their free versions, and see which fits the way your team actually works. And if you want more CRM versus ITSM face-offs or behind-the-scenes breakdowns, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.